What's up, everyone? Today we are cleaning seed wheat. So farmers in Kansas are kind of known for having some old school seed wheat trailers, some unique trailers to haul their seed wheat at wheat planting time. And we are no different. We just have a bunch of old trailers that we use. This one over here we still use for planting in the spring, but this one, and that one are used exclusively for seed wheat and just sit in the shed the rest of the time. They're kind of sketchy, they're kind of old, but we think they're kind of cool. All right, so what's happening here is we have the wheat we harvested in June and July this summer is in this end up here, and we're dumping that into the seed cleaning truck that is here today, and it's cleaning the wheat and then dumping it into the trailer. That'll be the finished product that we put in our air seeder, and this was what came out of the combines. So it's important to clean the seed wheat before you plant it. That's pretty much what's going on. Good morning, everyone. Today I am switching off Nathan, planting wheat here on this field. He's got most of the field done. I'm switching him off. We're gonna load some seed and some fertilizer, and then I'm gonna keep going here in the drill today. Nathan's going to go back over and help with soybean harvest.
Getting ready for another day of wheat drilling. Here's Dad's new truck. New to us.
New to us.
Not brand new, but it'll do the job. It's our cow truck, but it's got dual wheels, so it pulls the seed wheat gooseneck trailer pretty well. All right, let's get this thing filled up. We use the hydraulic power from the tractor to run the auger.
Nathan is scooping out what's fertilizer's left with his feet. Whoever's drilling wheat at the same time we're harvesting soybeans kind of gets left over here by themselves, whatever field they're in, and it's kind of isolating when 5 or 6 people are working with soybean harvest, having lots of fun together. It's nice harvest crew going on. So we like to switch off, Nathan and I, that way we're not just over here by ourselves in the drill day after day. So I'm switching them off today, give you guys kind of a outline of what's going on, and hope you enjoy the ride along. All right, so we got the seed filled up and the fertilizer filled up back there. And now we're in here drilling wheat. Got the VisionWorks tablet here, and then got their camera set up here. You can't really see anything because the camera's buried with seed right now. And then we've got our new TopCon monitor here, which shows us where we're going. We've got the GPS set there, and then we've got the Great Plains air seeder monitor built in to the TopCon monitor there. So that works really nice. Really nice to have all of your information on one screen here. We've got the field we're on here, and the job we're on, and the AB line that we're following with the GPS. And you can see it. You can see it on the monitor, and you can also see it in real life with the stripes of where we've been, what we're doing. I always love the view working up on this hill. That's my house over there. And then you can see a long way this way too. And then I don't know if you can see it from here, but there's a white cross up on the hill over there. That white cross was where the first church was in this entire community when the immigrants came from Sweden and settled this Lenzburg community. They had a church up here on the hill. The cross marks where it was located. So beautiful view from that first church. And it's just cool to think about how all of this surrounding area was prairie, and they came and settled it and fought through hard times, and in order to get to where we are today. So just kind of a cool piece of history there. Here's a little better view of it. It's not actually on our field. The property line is here, but it's right up there on the top of the hill. It was scenic 150 years ago, and it's still scenic today, but the surrounding area sure looks a lot different with all the houses and the farmland, and it looks back in the 1860s. All right, it's 6:30 p.m. Finished up this 80 here. Just doing the out rounds. Brookanna brought me some pizza. We're gonna eat in the field together. Date night. Oh, I better help her carry the pizza.